Okay, the first step, I prepare a satin fabric and interlining measuring 32 cm by 31 cm, and I press it with iron until it bonded and smooth. And don't forget to make it 2 pieces. I prepare a 5 by 5 cm square paper template, so I can cut the bottom left and the bottom right corners just using this square. And now I secure pins along each side to make the sewing process easier. Okay, stitch along the edge with a 1 cm seam allowance. This is the result. And now let's sew the bottom left and the bottom right corners just as shown on the video. So I cut 2 lining fabric in the same size, sew the left, right and bottom edges following the same steps as before. Now I wanna make back handles. I prepare 2 fabric pieces measuring 38.5 cm by 8 cm, each already fused with interlining. Fold the fabric as shown in the video. Use an iron to press firmly. And this is the result after I sew each side with sewing machine. Draw a 2 cm line along the width of the back and then mark 9.5 cm from left and right side edges as placement for the back handles. Now it's time to adjust back handles. Okay, now I will adjust the interlining part, so you can see that I didn't sew the middle of the bottom of this interlining because I need that space, okay, to adjust the back. Okay, so just let's see the video. Pin around this side and sew it. Turn the outer back right side out through the space in the bottom and then top stitch around the entire edge of the back to create a clean and polished finish. the last step, don't forget to save this part too. And this is the final result. I love it. A simple satin bag that is so easy to make and perfect for everyday use. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. I would truly appreciate it if you could leave a short message in the comment, whether it is suggestion, feedback or even a compliments. Your support genuinely makes me happy and motivates me to create more tutorials videos. Bye bye.